Hi, I'm Smyth from Smyth Imported Car Service. We're driving a Ferrari for its first time in 7 years. We steam clean the engine and everything. This is a 79 308, and as you move up, you go into 328s with fuel injection. This has the Weber carburation system. Anyway, you always want to bring the engine oil temperature up to 160 right here. That way you don't have oil filter collapsing. It's very important on Ferraris. Please read your owner's manual if you have one. You did not know that. It can prematurely wear things out. We're going to take this on its first road test. It's going to be a short road test. We had to put just a touch of fuel in it. Whoops, actually, we put a little bit more than a touch in it. So right now we're going to be easy with it. Like all customers' cars, they're not our cars, and go on a short test anyway. We steam cleaned everything. We're just checking for leaks, so we got to make everything roll and see where it's leaking. Other than that, that's it. So we're going to run this video, see how it shifts and what it does, and so I'm going to pass this over, and you're going to hear a 79 308 in action. Car runs strong for the years and the model. Their oil pressure is tremendous on the car. Oil temperature's down. Everything looks good. So hopefully we've run it enough there a little bit that some things should push some pressure out and cause it to leak. So we're going to turn around from here and swing this around. And let's move around here in this circle. Check T acceleration right here. We're going to be off the gas. It's sweet. I mean, for it's been 7 years for some ridiculous amount of time. This thing's up and running fairly decent. So it needs preventative maintenance, and some of these major oil leaks stopped. Road tests are very limited. We're lucky if we put 4 miles on these cars, but we do road test cars that definitely need them. If you're doing a cooling system, you're doing oil leaks, you know, that sort of thing. And here we are back at Smyth Imports. We're located here in Cincinnati. Our company was established out of Ireland in 1934. Been in the same area location since the 70s in Sims Township. Should you have a Ferrari, whether it be anything from I cut my teeth on a 365 GTB4, anything in the 12 cylinders with the 3-choke Weber carburetors, all the way up to the late model fuel injections. So you can check our website, and you can also check our Facebook pages. We're an authorized independent Bentley service garage, so
with that being said, we don't do the new cars, but we do all the cars back that are out of warranty. So we have all the factory tools and all the factory everything. We just didn't want to carry the money and do warranty work. So if you have vintage cars, sports cars, which a lot of the Bentley and Rolls owners have Ferraris and Lamborghinis, we keep on we have a full-time general manager, service manager that takes care of Ferrari and Lamborghini. So please feel free to come in and see us. We'll be happy to assist you in any way we can. We've been in business, like I said, we established in 1934. We started in the United States in 1950, and in the early 50s opened the first Jaguar franchise on Reading Road. So anyway, from there it just went to cars, cars, and cars. I grew up in the business, and now we have other gentlemen and other people that want to get involved in the business. So please come see us if you have a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. Our website is www.smythimports.com. That's SMYTH imports.com, and you'll find a lot of vintage, classic, and historic cars here, as well as late model new. A Bentley's coming in the 10th of next week. It's coming in for its first 4,000-mile service. As like a lot of the luxury cars, some of the services are not covered. Anyway, wish everyone all the best. Hope it's been as much fun as it has for us to make this video of this vintage Ferrari 308 back in the Magnum PI days. So we're going to put it up on the lift and make a list and with timing belt and issues of what should be addressed and oil leaks. Wish everyone all the best. Cheers.